face of escalating environmental challenges, the words of Robert Swan ring truer than ever. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it for us. Poor sanitation as a result of indiscriminate waste disposal alone is estimated to cost the country $290 million every year, equivalent to 1.6% of the country's GDP. Accra City uses 20 to 50% of its budget on waste management. In a report published by Institute of Environmental Management and Assessment, between 400,000 and 1 million people die annually from illnesses and diseases linked to the rubbish that is dumped indiscriminately in the country. According to World Health Organization, 1.7 million child deaths yearly due to polluted environment. How pathetic. Hi. Mr. I ask you some questions. So, what do you think are the effects of poor waste management in this country? Like, what is your thoughts about poor waste management?
I think it's an area that like more can be done, looking at how this waste go a long way to affect us. Some end up in the sea, in our gutters and stuff. So yeah, maybe the government and even ourselves, we can do more regarding that aspect.
Okay, so who do you think is who has the sole responsibility of taking care of this? Do you think it's the government or the people or the local chiefs or who?
I think it's the people. The people should be educated to know where to dump their refuse. And they should also be educated to know that dumping refuse is also a major factor of how they also get sick. Because they can get sick through malaria. And these are all things that are caused by through gutters and other stuff. So if the people are publicly educated and respect to that, this will make a big difference.
Okay, I get you. So what do you think? I think that recycling is a good way to manage waste. What do you think about that?
Come to think of it, I think it's an area that like we can explore. So it has great potential, and we also consider that one as a means of safeguarding our environment. So.
Okay, do you also think the same?
Yeah, I think that if recycling is done in a very good way, we can even get other materials from it, like creating chairs, mattresses, or any sort of thing, bottles, dustbins. So any waste into raw material makes use of this particular waste, and as a result of that, this will make a very great impact in our society.
Thank you very much. But what if this wasn't the end of the story? What if this was the beginning of something new? Recycling. Recycling involves collecting, processing, repurposing discarded items such as plastics, metals, papers, and organic waste. Sadly, as Ghana generates approximately 840,000 tons of plastic waste annually, approximately 9.5% is what is collected is recycled. All the rest is indiscriminately disposed without regard to environmental impact.
Is it not satisfying to know that what we consider waste can be transformed into another raw material or useful product which saves costs and goes a long way to save our deteriorating economy? It would interest you to know that bikes are produced from recycled bamboo and aluminium cans. Graduation gowns, countertops are made from disposed plastic. Also, chairs are made from end-of-life carpets and damaged fishing nets removed from the sea. Application of what is popularly known as DIY, where, for example, trash water bottles are used as flower vases, bird feeders, and pet bottles. Also, damaged car tires provide a suitable soil bed for planting. Recycling is more than just throwing waste into bins. It's about transforming waste into resources, reducing pollution, conserving energy, and building a sustainable future.
Which is why it is imperative for you and I to take responsibility of engaging in recycling by volunteering to support organizations such as Zoom Lion, Alliance Waste, Zompa Ghana Limited to clean up and collect waste in our environment for the industrial reprocessing, as well as contribute recyclables or sponsorships and devoting time to support this awareness campaign. This is more than a choice, it is our responsibility.
Together, we can turn waste into opportunity. Start recycling today for our communities, for our environment, and for our future.